Alright, this is the new wiring guide for the inverter. These two are for the switch wire. This one's the accessory turn-on wire, which means that this automatically turns on when you turn the car on. These three are for this LED down here. And then the power wire comes down, runs to a secondary battery. Secondary battery is connected to a battery isolator switch, which connects and disconnects the two batteries. Okay, so right now I have the inverter taken apart and rewired, so it has two turn-ons. So there's this switch, and you can see that it turned on the LED, which means the inverter is on. Or whenever you turn the car to running, it'll automatically turn on.